Hi guys, it's Miss Bartz. Sorry I'm not at school today with you guys as you're getting started with the next portion of your research project. So I thought I would make this screencast to kind of ease you in to the next section. So let's get started. Looking at your announcement on Google Classroom today, you'll see that you have a couple things due. First, you should have finished finding all your research. You should have read all of that research and you should have taken notes on all of that research. Looking at this is kind of a way to double check you got everything. Your 7 sources, I should find all 7 citations in Noodle Tools. Then when you were taking notes on your sources, you could have chosen one of these options. You could have printed your articles and annotated them. You could have read your articles on the computer and typed your notes on a Google Doc and put that in your shared folder. You could have handwritten your notes, or you could have taken notes on the note card function on Noodle Tools. If you hand wrote your notes or printed the articles and annotated them that way, I will be checking those on Wednesday. But if you took notes on Google Drive or on Noodle Tools, I have access to them now. And then lastly, you should have filled out source evaluation forms for any non-database sources. So we're going to look at Erica's as our example. So this is Erica's English folder. So we can see she made a copy of the project, which is good because this is where the outline actually is. We can see she has one source evaluation form, and we can see all of her hand-typed notes here. When I go into Noodle Tools, I can see that she has all of her sources listed here. So good job, Erica. High five her, somebody. Thanks. Okay, so what are you guys going to be working on today? Well, you've got an outline to get started on. So go ahead and click on this project, what's on your protest sign. And you'll recognize this, just all of the requirements. But really now you're going to the second page. So you can either file, make a copy of this, or you can copy and paste it, or you can recreate it on your own. But you're going to be working on your outline today in class. The first thing you need to do is this. Tell me what your claim is and determine what your main reasons are. Now you really should have at least 3 main reasons for your claim to be true. Those main reasons should be coming from your research, almost the whole body of your research. So not one specific detail of the research, but everything you've learned and then broken down into 3 patterns or 3 recurring themes or 3 main ideas of why your claim is true. Each one of those main reasons is going to get its own body paragraph. So here it says copy and paste for as many paragraphs as needed. So this is just the formula for every body paragraph. So you'll see, you'll put your topic sentence with one of your main reasons, and then you're going to give the first piece of evidence. This evidence should come easily from the notes you took on your research. Then you're going to explain why that evidence is so important to your argument. Then again, another piece of evidence and another piece of explanation. You're going to see down here you have a counter-argument paragraph to write as well. We will look at examples of this and go over this the next time I see you guys. So really, this is where you're going to be for most of this class period, working on your outline. The more work you put into this outline, the easier it's going to be to write your essay, I promise. So looking at our class calendar, you will see that today you had all your research and notes due, and today you're starting to outline. Wednesday, tomorrow, due by the end of class is going to be your outline. I was going to have this due at the beginning of class, but being I'm not going to be there today, I want to have a class period with you guys to answer questions and go over each outline individually with you. And then you're starting to write. As you can see, you have another deadline already on Thursday. Your introduction paragraph will need to be finished. And then so on and so forth. Class 3, y'all are doing the same thing today, And you actually have the same schedule for this week in terms of what you're going to be working on and when everything is due. Go ahead and make sure that your outline is in your folder. And then if you do start writing your rough draft, put that in your folder as well so that I have access to it. If you have any questions, please let me know. Send me an email. And if not, I will see you tomorrow. And have a great day. Bye, guys.